Stoogs, when you go to the hospital, you want the best care. UW Health and Meriter are working together to make sure the medical staff that care for newborn babies are prepared for any and every situation. WMTV's Ashley Wheel joins us live in studio. Ashley, you got to see their new space dedicated to training and educating medical professionals on neonatal care.
That's right. A new center opened in October and is now an organized and permanent space for doctors and nurses to refine their skills and provide the best care they can in the real world.
Every baby, everywhere, deserves the best chance to survive and thrive.
Using new technology.
So I can hear alarms, I can hear a baby crying. I can see things in a way that look very realistic.
Practicing skills.
Maybe suction, airways nice and open.
And having a new space to learn how to save babies.
By going through all the skills and the scenarios that we might run into in real life, we're just more prepared for when they do come up in real life.
UnityPoint Meriter and UW Health work together to open the NEST, or Neonatal Education Simulation and Training Center. A fresh way for medical professionals to stay up to speed and learn new ways to care for every child.
Having a designated place where I get to practice it in a safe space that isn't on a patient that I'm actively trying to care for is really nice.
Haley Madison, a NICU nurse with UW Health Kids, says Monday's training class helps build real skills she uses every day.
This is something that I never learned in actual nursing school. This is always something that I learned after once I became a NICU nurse.
Dr. Ryan McAdams also uses the tools available to get unique hands-on experiences.
The environment looks familiar to someone who would resuscitate a baby here.
Using virtual reality to practice real-life situations.
Well, I think it's very important that we, imagine if you're having a baby, like you want the folks to give the best care. And I think where it's really important is some of the kids we take care of, they're really sick and you have minutes to do the right thing.
Making sure families get top-tier care.
There's just no room for error. You have to get it right.
So doctors are ready when a family's worst-case scenario becomes a reality.
So that when we do it in real life, we're better at it. And so the whole practice makes perfect. In this sense, there's so much on the line with a delivery that you really want to make sure you get it right.
UnityPoint and UW Health have had classes in the past to keep staff trained up, but they say this new space will make it easier to use their advanced equipment, as well as schedule and plan a variety of classes. Live in studio, Ashley Wheel, WMTV 15 News.
Ashley, thank you. The project cost $750,000 and was funded by the UnityPoint Health-Meriter Capital Council and the UnityPoint Health-Meriter Foundation and Pregnancy Newborn Care Services.